Hello everyone, today we'll be doing a backtracking example using permutations. Alright, what is permutations? It's basically getting all the possible outputs in the array. And with my math equation on the right, you can see the n factorial to get the all possible combinations in the array. We're going to use this array here. It has 3 elements, so 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, so we're going to have 6 possible outputs. Also, you can see on the right my Python code. I'm going to quickly explain it. So you can see premute. A is the array, S is the start of the array, and R is the length of the array. So if S equals R, this is our base case, we print the output. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to start I, so we have S, so which is it's going to start at 0, and then we're going to have the output. So with S, we're going to keep switching the first one with the first index in the array, which is A, with B and C until we end the loop. And then but while we do that, we're going to recursively call and break and repeat this until we get all possible combinations. And then once we're done the function, we backtrack, we go back to its original format. So if we swap B and A, so it's BAC, it'll go back to ABC. All right. Let's quickly go through the walkthrough. So I'm not going to use premute as a function. I'm going to use P to keep it really short. So this is our array we're going to use here. So make sure I have the index. So it has A0, B1, and C2. All right, so let's see what I could fit here. BC, 0, start of the array, and the length of the array is 3. And I know I'm going to use a lot of space, so I'm going to try to go to the very left. So let me quickly explain the code. We're in the function. All right, we don't reach our base case. 0 is not equal to 3. All right, so S and I, we try to swap, but right here we can't swap because I is 0 and S is 0, so we can't swap here. Okay, we can't swap. Just want to make a note here. We're going to keep track of the I variable. So I is 0. And S will always be 0 in the main recursive call. BC, we add 1, 3, okay, so now I is equal to 1 and S is 1 here. Two, 3, okay, we exit the loop, and Now we only call this, we reach our base case. Three. And once we reach our base case, I'm going to change the color to yellow. Prints ABC. We go back. 2 is the loop. You can see 2 is the end of the array. 2 is the end of the for loop. That's where the for loop ends. When we loop through it. So we go back here, P. And now I is 2, S is still 1. Oops. Forgot to change the color. And we go here. And this is A. We do a swap, so this is AB. So now this is AC. B, and then to this A, C, B. Okay. 2, 3. Go here. Repeat this array. The array is the same. Now it's 3, 3. Now the output here outputs A, C, B. All right, I'm just going to move the code just right over here. Yeah. Don't need the factorial anymore. Okay, so now I have a little bit more space. Let's do this quickly. We're back here. I is now 1. Back in the main recursive call. I is 1. We now do the swap. Here it's A, B. If you look in the code, we do the swap. So we do P, B, A, C. And we go 1, 3. Okay. B, A, C. And we go 2, 3. Exit the loop in the recursive statement. Not going to repeat myself here. 3, 3. So now we output BAC. All right. Now we're here. This is a BAC. BA. You can just see. Now this is BC. Okay. Let's do it here. B. We swap BC. A. 2, 3. P. 3, 3. Now we output BCA. Go back. go back. We now go back here, and I is 2. All right. Here, we're going to do the last circle right around here. So P, and this will be C. We do the change for C here. So it's C A B. Oh, oops, sorry. It is, we swap it, so the swap will be CBA. All right. And then it is 1, 3. EBA. Let's do this real quick. The array is the same. 2, 3. And then you go P, 3, 3. Okay. Get the output. CBA. Go back here. And I here is now 2. Okay. And then we do a swap, so C AB, and we go get our array. So I'm gonna here it is CAB 2, 3 P. We'll just keep it short. P3, 3 in our base case, and we do our output. All right, I'm just going to do the output here. CAB. The output is here. And when we looked at our factorial for all possible outputs for the permutation, the answer was 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's how you trace the permutations for this function. And this is how this is what we call backtracking. We kept on going through all possible solutions, and we brute forced the solution to get all possible permutations for the array ABC. And that's how you do backtracking and permutations. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.